Okay, so with your Ravana pizza oven, you are going to get a set of tools, and this is one of them. This is the pizza peel that allows you to put the pizza into the oven. So I just want to demonstrate how we transfer the pizza from the silicone mat onto the peel. We're going to demonstrate it without topping, and then you'll see it done with the topping. What I recommend is you get just a tiny bit of flour. So I'm just going to dip my hand into the flour and just lightly flour the peel. Now you can see there's not much on there, and that's what we want to keep it as, because we don't want raw flour going onto the base of the pizza. We want to reduce as much of that as possible. We then lift the pizza up just a tiny bit off the mat, slide the pizza peel on the bottom, just readjust your pizza onto the peel. Now we need to transfer this onto the oven, and I'm going to use the silicone mat as an example. What I'm going to do is just place the pizza where I want to position it, and I'm going to then walk on the opposite side of my arm, and I'm just going to then pull straight off, and the pizza will drop where you place it. Now that's a bit of a tip. What you don't want to do is keep the pizza peel in front of you, because when you pull, you will hit yourself and you won't have full length. Or if you do it this way, you may just pull in the wrong direction, and the pizza will go in the wrong spot of the oven. So there's just a bit of a tip for you.